こんにちは、皆さん。Ms.P です。Hello, everyone. I'm Ms.P. How are you, everyone? I hope all of you are safe and well. It's so hot in here. So, I'm sorry I missed you guys yesterday. So, today I prepared year 2020 MIT Integration B test problem level 4. So, here's the problem. Integral from 0 to pi over 2 of sine to the 7th power of x times cosine to the 7th power of x times dx. So first of all, we're going to change cosine to the 7th power of x into cosine to the 6th power of x times cosine of x. That is the point. Okay, so let's do is equal to integral from 0 to pi over 2 of sine of 7th power of x times cosine of 6th power of x times cosine of x dx. So now we have to understand cosine to the 6th power of x is cosine squared of x cubed. So basically we're going to change cosine to the sine. Cosine squared x into 1 minus sine squared x. Because sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So let's do is equal to integral from 0 to pi over 2 of sine to the 7th power of x times 1 minus sine squared of x cubed cosine x dx. Okay? This is the point. And next point, we're going to use U-substitution. So, let U is equal to sine of x. Okay? And then we're going to differentiate this equation. That is, du is equal to cosine of x dx. Okay? So, now we can change everything over here. So, is equal to integral. However, bond is going to be different with respect to u. So, lower limit 0. So, we're going to plug 0 into x. Sine of 0. Sine of 0 is 0. So, lower limit u is 0. So, upper limit pi over 2. Sine of pi over 2. That is 1. Upper limit u is 1. Okay? So, now sine to the 7th power of x. Sine of x is equal to u. So, u to the 7th power, parentheses, 1 minus u squared cubed. And the cosine x dx is du. Okay? So, now we're going to calculate this parentheses. I hope you remember x minus 1 cubed, the formula. So, let's do is equal to integral from 0 to 1, u to the 7th power, parentheses. So, 1 cubed. First of all, 1 cubed, which is 1. And next, 3 times 1 squared times negative u squared. That is negative 3u squared. Okay? So, next, 3 times 1 times negative u squared squared. So, that is plus 3u to the 4th power. Okay? And next, negative u squared, parentheses, negative u squared cubed. So that is negative u to the 6th power. And the u. Okay? So Now we're going to use distributive property. We're going to multiply each term by u to the 7th power. Okay? So is equal to integral from 0 to 1. U to the 7th power times 1 is u to the 7th power. U to the 7th power times negative 3. U squared is negative 3. U to the 9th power. Right? And then u to the 7th power times 3 to the 3 times u to the 4th power, that is plus 3 times u to the 11th power. And next one, u to the 7th power times negative u to the 6th power, that is negative u to the 13th power. Okay? So, now we are going to integrate this expression. So basically, we are going to raise each power by 1 and divide each term by new number of the power. Okay? So let's do, we're going to move over here. Is equal to, so we're going to raise integral of u to the 7th power. We're going to raise the power by 1. 7 plus 1, which is 8. And divide by 8. So 1 over 8 u to the 8th power. Okay? And next one, integral of negative 3 times u to the 9th power. That is negative 3 over 10 times u to the 10th power. Right? And next one, integral of 3 u to the 11th power, that is plus 3 over 12 u to the 12th power. Okay? And then integral of negative u to the 13th power minus 1 over 14 times u to the 14th power. Okay? So I'm going to put parentheses here, and the bound's going to be from 0 to 1. Okay? And then, next step, we're going to plug 1, 0 into u. However, we're going to plug 1 into u and subtract the value of expression 1, u is equal to 0. So 0, everything is going to be 0. When u is equal to 0, everything is going to be 0. So we don't have to worry about that. So we're going to plug 1 into u. Okay? So let's do. Is equal to 1 over 8, right? 1 to the 8th power is 1. So negative 3 over 10 plus 3 over 12. So I'm going to reduce this fraction. So that is 1 over 4 minus 1 over 14. Okay, almost done. And then we have to find the greatest common denominator. So that is 280, okay? 280 is equal to 280. The denominator, new denominator is 280. So that is numerator, new numerator is 35. Okay? 35. And then minus 280. And then 280. So numerator will be 84. Okay? 84. And then plus 280. So it's gonna be 70, right? 70 and minus 280, and then numerator is going to be 20. 20, right? So 35 plus 70, we're going to add and subtract to the numerator because denominator is the same, right? So 35 plus 70, 105. And 84, negative 84 minus 20, negative 104. So 105 minus 104, that is 1. So the answer is 1 over 280. Okay? This is the answer. 1 over 280. Okay? So, how was today's lesson? I hope today's lesson was very helpful. So, see you next Monday. Have a nice week. Bye.